Hi, welcome. It's your girl Juliana's to a vlog, and today I'm here with another amazing review video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So today I'll be reviewing Organic Nature. This is a black seed oil. The company has reached out to me and they have sent me this black seed oil. This supplement is a very good supplement. It's good for person who has immune problem, the immune system not functioning good, and if you have like menstrual problem, you can also take this. If you have like high blood pressure, you can also take this. This is a very good supplement. So I'm gonna be opening it because I haven't opened it as yet. I want you to see my address. So I'm gonna be opening it with you guys, and I'm gonna be taking it on camera with you guys to let you see that I'll be giving you a daily update and how after taking it, how I feel. So once, if I'm allergic to anything, within split seconds or the next day I can tell. So I'll be doing a next video with me taking this supplement. This is very affordable. I'll be placing their links down in the description box, and you can also get discount on these items. So they have a lot more items, guys. So further ado, let me open it and see. A black seed oil, see, and these come from natural plants. So the lid still hold on, it's sealed. So removing the seal. So see, seal. So anything that you're buying, ensure that it comes sealed. Okay. And this is also a beauty supplement. So this is how the capsule looks. So for persons who don't like taking tablet like myself, I don't like taking tablet, and it doesn't have any smell. It looks just like cod liver oil. So I'm gonna be taking it, and I will be giving you guys updates and how it goes. See, it's gone down, and it's very affordable. It's 39 US dollars. This is a US based company. So organic so you can go over to the company, see, just type in the name in your Google search, and you can read up all the information about it, about their supplement. So you're going to be taking like 1 capsule per day. So if you have any medical condition like clotting of blood and stuff like that, do not take it. So but this is very good. So for people who have high cholesterol, you can also take this. And the name of the company, so there you go, their website, www.organicnature.co. So this is their package, and the package look really good. So I'm looking forward to doing more review like this. Yes, guys. So they have the one for weight loss. Go over to their channel, to their page, and check it out. This supplement, it also boosts your immune system. So let me zoom it, let me go right in there. Yes, black seed oil. It's good. And this is cold pressed black seed oil. It's very good. So if you have hormone problem, you can go ahead and take these supplements also. Thank you guys so much for watching. You definitely get different parts of me taking this supplement. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Thank you. Bye, my babies.
Ready to let go. You decide if you ever